The Dometic Stradbroke 6 TC Air is a 6-person inflatable tent ideally suited for friends or families. Experience reliable performance and simple setup with the AirFrame technology. The Stradbroke 6 TC features such highlights as Quickpitch Guying System, with a shield TC material, multi-point inflation, and climate control. The new range of Dometic inflatable tents and awnings are extremely quick and easy to set up thanks to the AirFrame technology. Durable air poles are inflated individually via external inflation points for the simplest setup and takedown. The unique Weather Shield technical cotton material helps to reduce condensation and regulates the interior temperature. High-quality fly screens have been designed for Australian conditions for increased ventilation. The large oversized windows, gussets, and additional vents create multi-level ventilation points, which help to improve airflow and ventilation, and regulates the interior temperature of the tent. The gussets have been specifically designed to suit Australian climates, so that durable and reliable performance can be experienced. Quickpitch Guying System allows for a quick setup by pegging the bottom strap taut and adjusting the tension. There are also cable entry points for 12V and mains cable access to power your equipment. The Stradbroke inflatable tents come ready with a sleep-tight darkroom installed. Dark materials are used to block out early sunlight for a good night's sleep. The inner tent of the bedroom can be removed to allow for a wider sleeping space. The Stradbroke 6 TC is easy to set up. Remove the tent from the bag and place in your desired location. Using the pegs, securely anchor the tent at each corner and midpoint. Then locate the inflation valve cap. Unscrew the cap of the inflation valve and attach either the double action pump or gale pump to the nozzle and start inflation. Pump up each air pole to between 7 and 8 psi. The psi gauge is included on both pumps. Check the tent is fully inflated and ensure all inflation valve caps are secured on tight. Then commence pegging down each of the Quickpitch guy ropes and tightening the blue Quickpitch pegging points. Re-peg the corners if necessary to ensure the tent is in the correct position. Once setup is complete, you can open the doors and windows to improve ventilation and to reduce condensation. You can open the gussets to allow for extra ventilation during the night. The Dometic inflatable tent is as easy to pack down as it is to set up. Remove your Quickpitch guy ropes and unscrew the inflation valve caps to release the air from each air pole. Explore more and stay out for longer with the Dometic Stradbroke 6 TC Air.